Before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any of our quick and practical tech tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets, a super useful trick for protecting sensitive data or keeping parts of your spreadsheet unchanged in collaborative projects. First, open your web browser, go to Google Sheets and sign into your Google account. Once you're on your Sheets homepage, open the spreadsheet where you want to lock cells. Next, highlight the cells you want to lock. Click and drag to select a range, or hold Ctrl in Windows or Command in Mac to select multiple non-adjacent ranges. Once your cells are selected, go to the Data tab in the top menu and choose Protect Sheets and Ranges. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen showing your selected range. Click Set Permissions, then choose who can edit those cells. You can restrict it so only you or specific collaborators can make changes, while everyone else can only view them. When you are happy with the settings, click Done, and your selected cells are now locked. That's it. You've just learned how to secure important data in Google Sheets, preventing unwanted edits while keeping your spreadsheet organized and safe.